Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use a Paxful crypto wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is first of all open up your browser, type in paxful.com, and you will get into the official website. Now over here, this also allows you to give you another option and feature, which is a create an offer and wallet section, gift card hub, and also it became a vendor option. You can also be that. Otherwise, from over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will get a more details which will show you. You can see no commission fees it charges. You can see happy customers, so many, and Paxful wallets have this many users like added more. And you can see if you scroll down, you will find the benefits, which includes security and stuff like that. This is a simple overview of the benefits of it. If you want to simply start using it, tap on register, and from here you will be entering your number or email which you want to use. Tap on create password. You're simply gonna create it and tap on create account. Then once you have your account, you will be able to simply buy and sell your cryptocurrency as you prefer. And you can also choose to affiliate program to, and you can also choose to become a vendor if you would prefer, right? It will simply show you the sale, the cryptos that are available over here. If you over there, and you can also choose to get an offer for yourself by going to the section. You have a section to show you more of the details. You can go to the section as well, and we'll show you the sales process for you to do so and what it does. So I would recommend you guys to come to their website, study it thoroughly. Go ahead, go to the help desk, ask any questions that you're curious about. Otherwise, simply start registering and start using it as you like, and you're good to go. So this is basically it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.